Hello everyone, I'm Lin. This is Gundam Battle Power Warfare Global game. And today this game is updated Gundam Age FX and ST Blueprint second device. And this is my new ID. And so I shall rolling this Gundam Age FX because I need that pass. Okay, let's see my first roll which I shall got from this. Let's go. I just download, not full download, so I shall skipping. Super rare of HFX, please. Come on. Yeah. First roll is super rare. Come on, HFX card. HFX? Yeah, I got the body of HFX. HFX? No. It's a motorcycle. Okay, for my first roll, I got two parts of body. The first is the ASFX and the second Pusego forms Gundam X. Okay, is good. So I shall swarming the Haro ships to continue open this gacha bank. Please waiting. Welcome back. Let's start for the next round. Round 2. I farming 4,810 Haro ships to continue spin it. Okay, let's go. Super layer of 8 is. I hope like that. Come on. Okay. Super rare. Come on, come on. 8 is. Yeah, I got a head of FS. Really good, really good. It's nice for this round. Okay, let's go for the round 3. I need another part of AFS. Arms, leg, back, and weapon is okay. I only need their body, not weapon. Okay, let's go for the round 3. Super rare, come on. Come on to me. Oh, so salty for this round. It's never mind. For the round 4. Go. Come on. Super rare. Okay, super rare appear. FX please. FX please. FX. Oh, I got his head again. I need another prop. FX? Yeah, I got a arm of FX. Pretty good. Wow. Exciting. So, here is a half option round. Exactly, this is a round 5. Let's go. I hope a part of FX appear. This Sabra, come on. Salty for this one. It's never mind. Okay. Level 6. Sabra, come on. Sabra. FX. Okay. I need leg. All the back. Whip punch. Take off. Bazooka of HFX. Okay. I need leg or back. Another part. I have to complete this Gunpla. Yeah! I got his back. HFX. Very nice. Okay. Let's go further. Level 7. Go! Super last, come on. I'm missing only one part. Leg of HFX. Red. Leg? I need only leg part. Then I'm completed. Oh, arm again. I need another part of leg. It's almost complete to build this Gunpla. It's okay. I'm missing only leg of HFX and a gun, lighter gun. But I don't need a beam lighter. I need leg, only leg. It's nearly 10 rounds. And here is a loud egg. It's only 2 rounds. It's just 10 rounds. Okay, let's go for the loud egg. I hope the rare is here. I only need leg pass of HFX. HFX? Yes! Flash! HFX! HFX! Only leg of HFX. Yeah! Finally! I complete their body at FX! Wow! Oh, so exciting and amazing! Wow, what is through? Oh, really good! It's really good. Okay, I shall trumpet it right now. I'm so really happy. I just win only 8 rounds for complete this Gundam is FX. Really good. Wow! I feel really happy. It's beautiful Gundam. Okay, thank you for watching my quick video, and next video I shall review the skill, all of skill of Gundam is FX. Bye bye, please like button and subscribe my channel Scott Gamer. Bye bye, see you next time.